Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a video tip, this one looking at hellebores. As well as snowdrops and a few early daffodils in my garden, I have some hellebores coming out, and you can see this clump here. The creamy white flowers are quite visible above the hand-shaped evergreen leaves. But if I move around to this older, more established clump, you can see that the flowers are in there, but there are quite a few hidden under these big old leaves which have grown quite tall. Hellebores are useful plants in the lower level planting of a border because not only do you have these early flowers which are good for early flying insects, but they are evergreen, so you get texture from the leaves all through the winter and also in the summer when the flowers have finished. But the fact that a plant is evergreen doesn't mean that each leaf lasts forever, and this is a good moment to cut out the older yellowing leaves off the hellebore, and that will show the flowers and give space for the new young leaves to grow underneath. And that is just what I'm going to do here, taking these older leaves and cutting right back down at the base to take them out. Now you do have to be careful to trace those leaves right down to the bottom because there's quite a tangle of stems, and the last thing you want to do is actually cut out one of the flowers. So very carefully snip away, and I will go on and finish this whole plant. And so if we look at the finished plant, you can see that there's still plenty of leaf cover, but there's lots more flowers and buds that are poking up, and we'll see as they open. But I've actually removed quite a big collection of the older leaves that are just beginning to yellow. And some also, like this one, as well as just yellowing off, they're showing a few signs of dark streaks, which might be an indication of a fungal disease getting established. It's just one of those things that happens. So all of these leaves will be disposed of away from my compost heap.
There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.